I wanted to not look as tired. I wanted the fine lines on my skin to be less noticeable. And I didn't have any sagging skin, but I just wanted to maintain or ensure that my skin and face looked firmer.
Over the years, I felt my skin was getting quite bad pigmentation around this area due to ageing. Every morning I woke up, I just felt on something. I didn't like what I was seeing. And so I just wanted something, you know, to really address that problem.
I think it was general skin condition, sort of the remnants of having had a sort of acne skin as a younger person, and just generally improving the overall tone. And I'd seen results from photographs of other patients, so I was suitably impressed to think this would be something I'd like to do.
Over the years, your skin is exposed to a number of factors that can negatively affect the way it looks. Sun exposure, air pollution, smoking, and even stress all play a part in the way that your skin's texture, colour, and tightness changes over time. Fraxel treatment is a revolutionary laser treatment that helps remove years from your appearance so that you may regain a more youthful look.
Actually get rid of some of the damage that I've done with the sun, because I had noticed that there was quite a bit of sun damage, because I do like sunbathing, or I did do, and I just wanted to look less tired, and I thought this was the best treatment for that.
I think as somebody that's always struggled with my skin from a teenager, to find something that actually does work, does what it says it should do, was very gratifying and confidence boosting as well.
The range of Fraxel treatments vary in amount of downtime, number of procedures needed, and how dramatic the results are. Milder treatments can produce significant results for skin that is slightly to moderately damaged, has acne or surgical scars, or skin with mild pigmentation irregularities. Over the course of 3 to 6 treatments, the skin is noticeably more clear and smooth. Typically, the downtime for each treatment is minimal.
Basically, I want something that's non-invasive and something that's going to get like drastic results straight away, and that's what I was really after. I like the idea there'd be no scarring, there's no downtime.
In the past I have had acid peels, the downtime of which can be quite considerable, and I appreciate that the long-term effects of that are more temporary, and it is a harsh treatment on the skin. And what was appealing about Fraxel was the fact that there wasn't that downtime. It was performed in a more controlled way, and the skin was less traumatised. And I feel the results have been better and more long-lasting than previous treatments that I've had.
You just lay there really relaxed and think, oh wow, I'm going to look really lovely after this.
During the treatment, I felt very much I was in control of how the procedure was going, and if I wanted to stop and have a break, I was able to do that. And I knew that right from the start, which was very helpful for me and alleviated any sense of discomfort or fear that you might have had connected to it.
The most aggressive treatment can produce dramatic improvement for skin that is more severely sun-damaged and aged.
I didn't want to have surgery. I didn't want the risks involved with anaesthesia. I didn't want to have my face stitched up and look a bit fake. I just wanted a treatment that was as natural as possible, and I recovered as quickly as possible.
This is a single treatment procedure, but requires a few days of downtime for the skin to recover.
I thought that it had proven results, and that was the most important thing for me. The second most important thing was that it was non-invasive. I knew that I could go there, have this treatment done, be home the same day, get on with my family life, maybe weeks downtime, and that the results would get better and better.
Fraxel lasers use patented technology to target aging and damaged skin with microscopic laser columns that penetrate deep into its surface. The laser treats only a fraction of skin at a time, leaving the surrounding tissue intact, which promotes rapid healing. This stimulates your body's own natural healing process, replacing the older, damaged cells with fresh, glowing, healthy skin. This is how Fraxel treatment creates new skin from the inside out. Fraxel can help your skin to look younger and more refreshed. It can also help to reduce the appearance of acne scarring, mild pigmentation issues, as well as surgical scars.
I have noticed in the last month or so even that my skin has got a lot better. It feels a lot tighter, and I don't really use makeup very much. I do keep out the sun, but it does feel much better, and I think it looks better.
Being quite a self-critical judge of my own skin, I was the most happy, but other people also noticing it. wondering if I'd changed my makeup. So the classic sort of examples that answer questions that you might get. And I think the fact that the results continue to improve over a period of time is very gratifying as well. And the fact that they remain, I can still see the results now, sort of so many months later.
It looks smoother, it's had a lovely glow about it. It's like somebody's giving you a bunch of flowers, think, wow, you know, it's really, you keep, every time you look in the mirror, you know, you keep looking in.
I'm 50 years old, I had a child at 45, and I didn't want to hang around the school gates looking really tired. I don't want to look 40 or 30, but I just want to look well for how I am now, and that's how I feel that this treatment, that's what it's done for me.
The treatment sort of finished around about last Christmas, so it was nice to be sort of, and also my birthday actually, and sort of coming up to quite a big birthday in a year or two, so it's nice to know that my skin is perhaps now looking younger than perhaps I could have expected it to be, and it certainly boosted my confidence in having dealt with a problem that before I felt I wasn't going to be able to.
Speak to your doctor about which Fraxel treatment option is best for you and your lifestyle. No matter what your age or skin type, Fraxel treatment can help you uncover a more youthful you.